I don't know how much these are, but they are really cool. I need to find out, don't I? We're going to take you guys to a flea market.
Didn't even know what was going on. We're driving. We're like, what are all these cars on the side of the road, on the outer road?
Man, we are so in tune with what goes on in our community.
We got our fingers on the pulse.
We are some great resellers
in the area.
That's right. We are
Nothing
resellers.
Slips by us.
No.
Does it?
No.
Never.
We are resellers on the top, guys. That's
right. We're on the top of our game. That's right.
Right. So let's go. We're going to go. You guys want to go with us?
We got to turn around the next section.
Yeah. Wow, look. They're backed up. We found a place to park. I don't want to park on the side of the road. Okay, we found a parking space right here on the highway. Hopefully, we won't get hit by any semis or anything. All right, we made it across the highway safely. Let's go check it out. All of this is in the antique mall, the half-crocked antique mall. So, we'll check the prices. Be fun to get all that wax out of there, but they are pretty.
That's 5, that was 3.
Why is one of them? Oh, because it's broke.
Yeah.
That kind of reminds me of that lamp we got at the bins, Pat. Doesn't that look a lot like the lamp at the bins?
Look at this lamp. Holy cow. Well, it's kind of heavy. Still got the finial on it. This needs to be replaced or fixed. I don't know. That's heavy, but interesting.
$12. That's not bad at all. Yeah. Pretty though.
Yeah, it is.
Cute with the Humpty Dumpty. It's so cute. What's they got on him? Do not know. No rotary phone. What are the prices of stuff? I'm not seeing prices. I hate things that are not marked. Oh, look at the pig dish. $10. Good morning. Oh, I love the little mice. 22. Those are Howard. I like her. She's interesting. Isn't she cool? Let's see how much she is. She's $10. I don't know. I like weird things. She's cool.
That is needed.
I know. This is really pretty. 25. Look at this set. Isn't it cute? It's even got the address of where it was a general trucking company. Filled up your gas tanks and they would give stuff like that away. My mom told me about that stuff. These are not bad. 5 and 3. Oh, look at that one. That one's $3. That would be really cute to paint and, you know, fix it up. Isn't that cute? St. Louis Antique Autos. Another one. Some old books. Well, fairy tales. That's cool. Ooh, it's an owl. 55. There's some old Chanel. 35. Those are pretty too. Old quilts. That one's pretty right there. That's a good buy. And fire buckets. I've got a really cool one that's not been selling in my booth. They just lost their popularity, I guess. Aren't these? I like these. These are really pretty. I wonder how much these are. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. I like Crocs. Someone's painted on that. I've still got one that I haven't got all the paint off of it yet. There's a cookie jar. We had one of these, but we don't have the lid. I was going to have Pat to make me a lid. Oh, I like this one. Okay. Wagner ware skillets here. It's really cool. Did you see this, Pat? Make an offer. It's just like a hunk of wood. I don't know what kind it is. It's kind of cool. Oh, I can't even lift it. I want to know how much they wanted for these because these are really cool. I love the old rusty trucks and stuff. So who owns this booth? Oh, this isn't your place? Is this your place? This came off that table. Would this be yours? How much do you want for these? $5.50 a piece?
$1 a piece.
Oh, $1 a piece? Oh my gosh, yeah. He wants $1 a piece for them.
It's still $3 each. I might pick up a couple here.
Okay, get those. I'm gonna get these.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Pat's buying him some tools. I'm gonna go video this stuff over here. Look at rusty bicycles. The Bourbon Barrel. And we are in next to the town of Bourbon, so That makes sense. Well, look at these antlers with all the knives on them. I love these feeders. These are so cool looking. Look at this. I got a bunch of these. They're all Purina. I don't know how much these are, but I need to find out, don't I? Did I find out how much they are? They got a little bitty one too. Whoa, they still got dirt dauber nests and everything in them. How much are these? Are these yours? Are these your? Is this your stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
How much are these?
Let's see, I'm getting weeded down now. 20 and down.
20 and down?
Yes, ma'am. So some of them are going to be 5. Because they're pretty, some of them pretty rough.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
I'm not sure what that means, but. So I guess the ones that have a lot of holes in them are 5, and then 20 for the rest of them. I like them. I think they just have this cool, wouldn't they look cool with vines growing in them? I think that would be so cool. So he says 20 and going down, because some of them are really rough, so 5 on some of them are really rough, so I don't know how to, work with that. I asked how much he wanted for this one. It's kind of a medium in between the tall and the shorter one, and he said 15, and I said, I have 10, will you take 10? And he said, sure. So I got it for $10. I think it's just the cutest thing. What do you think? I love all the rusty, crusty stuff. Look at this. How could you go wrong with the rusty, crusty? I love this.
Yeah, I love it.
Just, this place stuff, it just take a lot of cleaning.
Yeah.
A lot of cleaning. Oh my gosh, look at this little car. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. That is the cutest little thing. Oh, look this one over and see what they got. Oh God, that makes some squeaky sounds. I thought something live was in it. It's USA. Someone painted it. Yeah. There's a chicken. There's a creamer. Hi, how are you? Pretty good. I like that with a wooden lid. That's really neat. $3
What'd you do with
Look who's painting. Mission Orange Extra Goods. I like the basket. Let's see how much the basket is. $60. Super cool. Oh, look at the bull. He is so cool. $50, but isn't he cool? Ooh, I like that. Oh, that's actually porcelain. I thought it was like enamel. Ooh, I don't know how much it is. But it's super cool. No price. Don't know. It's a guessing game, I guess. I guess it's a guessing game. Alright, I got some neat stuff. Okay. Chickens.
Yeah.
10 on the cafe thing. It's cool looking.
Yeah.
I just
cool.
expected to be 10 though. It is cool. Not a bad buy either. Ooh, I like this shelf. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. $12 not bad on that at all. Ooh, that's a beautiful bow. Can't see what I'm doing here for all the wind, but man, they got some pretty stuff.
Yes.
I love this box right here. I want this. Is that not gorgeous? I love the whole way, the colors and everything. It's just so cool. I like that bamboo shelf thing right there too. Is that not cool? They only got $10 on that shelf? Really? Are you kidding me? Isn't that cool? I think that's what that is. What is that? Maybe it's not a shelf. I thought these came down, but they don't. So it's like a magazine rack thing. Oh, I love the colors of it though. That's what's so cool. Okay. Man, that is... Well, we sold one that big, the rolling pins. That was $35. That is $15. Really? That, do you, even with using that for plants, that's gorgeous. Or you could put like blankets in it. That is gorgeous. $15.
Yeah, I mean, it's missing
Toddler
some of the spindles.
toys. Yeah, but you can fix that.
Exactly.
I mean, I think it looks cool just leaving all that stuff like it is, and then just kind of fixing this part. But I don't know. That's the personality of it.
Yeah.
Hope the baby didn't fall out, but If you want that, I'll take a 10. Oh, thank you. Man, I wish we'd have known this was going to be here because we could have stopped and got some cash.
Okay, let me know.
I almost bought a toolbox with my remaining $10.
I took his remaining $10 so he couldn't buy it. I like that. Isn't that cool? That is cool. Oh, I love these letters. Are these 10? Oh my gosh, I wonder how much these are each. I want one of those. Where is the owner of these? I think that would look so cool in a booth.
It's like they have to take a card.
Man, we should have. Dang, we're gonna get to the bin. Not the bin's late. But, ooh, get to some of the stores late. Is this your stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
How much are the numbers?
You want the whole pile? Or
No.
Just I was in
Like one.
like $10 a piece.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I
Yep.
appreciate that. Look at all this stuff, man. We're ready to wheel and deal, and that's cool. I passed some of these up at the bins the other day.
Oh, I grabbed it.
It all breaks down.
Look at all the jars with the lids with the ceramic inserts. There is a mess of those. $6 each or 2 for $10. It's a pretty good buy. I love these old lights. We had a bunch of these that we've sold in the past. There's no hole. Somebody makes some really creative stuff. Look at this. These are cute. Aren't those cute? This is adorable. Look at this old table. Isn't that pretty? I love the wood on the top. Man, the wood in that's beautiful. Look at this big old frame. So cool. I know, I say the word cool too much, but I love them. Look at these old flower sacks. I've got so many of these, but you know, you gotta stop and look, because just gotta. This thing is kind of painful to carry around, I'll tell you that much. My hair. Wind. Little toy guns. Isn't this pretty? Oh man, that's pretty. Wish I had a room for something like that. This is a beautiful set right here. Oh, that's pretty.
It's nuts.
The baby doll parts.
Well, that doesn't help.
Oh, these are really pretty. Isn't that one beautiful? Very, very pretty. Oh. Rickshaw. I like that.
Fan.
Yeah. It's all watering cans. Got a little rust on that one, but it's just the look. I mean, they just look so good. Her table. This reminds me, just gets me like in that feel for this time of year. You know, like when we went to the extravaganza, and just gets you
Talking about that.
worked up for that kind of stuff. It do. Look at all this stuff, man. We need a bigger house.
Yeah, seriously.
We have too small of a house. We need a big old Victorian house. Look at that bench. It's $200. I like it. I like this chest chairs cabinet thing too. Can't see, but the porch swing. I still have a porch swing in the garage. I need to do something with.
Name or anything? No. Okay.
Oh, look at these bird cages. I love that one. I love it. Don't you? Oh, that one's really neat too. I love that one. How much is that?
15.
$15. What does that one say on the front? What's on the front? Oh, it's just a
I just set it right back here.
Like a-
Alrighty. Thank you. We'll help you carry it.
Hendrix.
Yep.
Oh, is that a clock right there?
Yeah.
Ooh, isn't that pretty?
It's a battery, I think.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That cabinet's gorgeous. Wow, it's $12. I just like the cabinet, man. So I'm gonna sneak in here.
That's cool. That's cool.
It is. Wouldn't it be cool to have it hanging up and have vines hanging down it?
Absolutely.
Me.
Everywhere we go, I'm like, I love this in my. And he says, well, what are you gonna do with it? Put a plant in it?
Yes, always. This time of year, that's what we're in the mood for, plants. I told him.
Everything.
Look at these. Oh, isn't this one pretty? 50. Oh, I like that one. It's only $10. I just like the looks of it, man. See how much this bird is. He's only $5. Broke, but man, it's cool looking. Sometimes it's just the broke thing looks cool. This I want to take home. $10. Oh my goodness. Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah.
That's fabulous. They're always looking for those kind of things and you never ever find them.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I'm upset.
The green bird cage.
This one. This one. 35.
I'll find out.
Is there a socket in there? I didn't want to pop the towel.
Whoa. Go see how much this one is. This is 20. Oh, the rusty, crusty look. Man, I really want that. There's so many things I really want. Some really cool stuff out here. I mean, I just love all this old rusty, crusty stuff. It's my thing. It is really my thing. Oh my goodness. Oh man, look at those. Love them, love
I have
them.
a house in California.
Oh, really?
Did they?
Yeah.
How much you have on them?
15 for both.
Oh my gosh, I'm so mad. That is so good. I'm gonna go home and cry now.
Yeah.
Just, I like those old fronts of the gas pump
Yeah,
things.
me too.
Are they oil cans?
It's like all the numbers back here. That's
What are they?
by this bulk plant. I
No,
got
I don't think they're oil cans. What are they? Because field standard test, they're definitely to measure out something. Aren't they fabulous looking?
I don't know.
I don't
It'd be
either.
good for an antique.
There's
Fabulous,
5 gallons, so I
fabulous.
guess you pump 5 gallons out of the
The
pump.
fuel.
And if it's right at 5 gallons and it passes, the pump really is giving 5 gallons.
So just any kind of fuel, I guess.
He said it would.
Wow. Those are pretty. Alrighty, I guess we better head out of here, or we're not gonna make it to St. Louis, but man, they got some neat stuff. We missed out. I just love the old cars. Alright, a lot of traffic. We gotta figure out how to get across the road without getting run over.